Light. We see it every day, and yet, do we really understand it? For example, how can something so elusive, a substance that we can't even touch and that moves through space faster than anything else, have the capability to power our homes? Let's find out. Inside the solar panel, there is essentially a p-n junction. A p-n junction is a device that ensures that current can only flow in one direction. It is set up as a p-type and an n-type semiconductor put together. This means that the n-type side of the p-n junction has negative charges, since the element on this side has been doped, meaning electrons have been added to it, and there is an excess of electrons floating around. The p-type side of the p-n junction has positive charges, which are called holes, since they are places where negative electrons are missing from the element's structure. When photons of light hit the solar cell, electrons are knocked loose from the negative side, jump across the band gap in the middle, and fill the holes in the positive side. As more and more light strikes the cell, more electrons jump across the band gap and fill the holes. When a wire is connected to both sides, the electrons travel through the wire and back down into the n-type, which is now full of positive holes where all the electrons have left. The electrons coming from the wires now fill these holes back up, again leaving positive holes in the p-type and allowing the cycle to happen all over again. Since moving electrons create a current, there is now a current flowing through the wire. Since current is electricity, we now have the capability to power our homes and electrical devices. Another interesting thing to consider is that the solar cell needs to be tuned to a certain light frequency, or color. Out in space, they can be tuned to 3 colors, blue, green, and red, and this is called a triple junction solar cell. Light is a very powerful thing, and hopefully this was illuminating. What do you want to learn about next? Leave your comments and suggestions below, and don't forget to subscribe to Prima Science if you learned something new. And remember, science is awesome.